The stay at the Ocean View House, a mere 5-minute walk from the beach, guarantees breathtaking views in a beautifully sculptured environment, seamlessly complementing the natural surroundings of the Cape. The soothing sound of fresh river water flowing down from Table Mountain through the expertly crafted gardens and walkways of Ocean View House makes it a great place to bring the family, and equally, the perfect setting for a romantic getaway. All the rooms are individually designed down to the smallest detail, accented with original South African artwork and clever lighting design. Every need is catered for with iPod docking station, TV, aircon and Wi-Fi. So you can stay in touch with loved ones even if it's whilst having a cocktail poolside. If you want to discover all that the Cape has to offer, then one of their well-trained and friendly staff members would be glad to assist you. Maybe a spin in the luxury guest houses, Maserati. This stunningly elegant vehicle will not only whisk you away to a destination of your choice or between locations during your visit, but is also available for luxury tours with your own personal tour guide, prepared to make your stay truly unforgettable. Ocean View House, holiday in style.